As online business owners and educators, we are often hearing stories of someone's latest big launch. It can feel inspiring, but also intimidating at times. So we try harder, we get more savvy, and we try to create success through an online-only business model. But there's a hidden side to these online launches that no one really talks about. And that's the difference between revenue, profit, and conversion rates. You see, online launches may generate a large revenue number that can seem incredible. But behind that number, and what no one wants to talk about, is the amount that they spent on Facebook ads, hiring ads managers, affiliate payouts, and all the other costs associated with that launch. So big revenue, but small profits. It surprises many new online business owners that a good conversion rate in a launch is around 1 to 3% of people joining your program. It sounds like a lot of work for little return, but there is another way. And that's by adding live stages to your online business. Whether it's speaking at live events or running your own, speaking on stage is the very thing that will quickly grow your business and your profit margin. You see, good conversion rates at a live event can be around 20 to 25% of people joining your program. And this is the kicker. Being live in a room with people is the number one way to sell your high ticket and high level programs. If you want to start increasing your profit margins and conversion rates in your online business, you need to master the art of speaking and selling on live stages.